Welcome to the instructions video for the Wavelength Interactive Calculator. This calculator helps you determine the relationship between wavelength, frequency, and wave speed for any type of wave, whether electromagnetic like light and radio waves, or mechanical like sound waves. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter known values for your wave properties. Start by selecting the wave type, either electromagnetic or mechanical. For electromagnetic waves, the speed of light is automatically used. Next, enter the frequency value in your preferred unit, such as hertz, kilohertz, or megahertz. You can also enter the wavelength if you want to solve for frequency instead. For example, enter a frequency of 100 megahertz to calculate the wavelength of a radio wave. The calculator will display the wavelength in meters, along with the photon energy for electromagnetic waves. Review all the output fields to see your complete wave characteristics. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.